You can use AI to quickly and easily customize your word lists. Go to the Word Lists menu and then Custom Word Lists. Find the list you want to edit and click the Edit List button. Inside the list, you can customize the following fields: definition, sentence, synonym, and antonym. To edit a specific word, click directly on the field you want to change. Then click Generate with AI. Review the generated content and click Save to apply it. Bulk generation. To save even more time, you can use bulk generation tools. Select multiple words or an entire list and generate definitions, sentences, synonyms, or antonyms with a single click. This is ideal for creating new word lists or enriching existing ones. After bulk generation, you can review the results before applying them. For definitions and sentences, you can generate up to 5 AI options per word. You can compare the AI-generated options with the original content and choose the one that best fits your needs, or keep the original if you prefer. Once you have made your selections, click Apply Selected to save your choices. All AI-generated content can be reviewed and edited before saving. If you do not like a result, you can restore the original content at any time. You stay in full control of your word lists while saving hours of manual work.